hello there, Professor Robster here. Welcome to Weird Science. I was just about to look at a plant under the microscope to see what it looked like. They tell me that it moves. I don't want to see. You want to see too? Let's take a look. Well, would you look at that? It is actually moving on a cellular level. That is very weird. I did not know plants moved. Well, how about that? Last week, we talked about animal cells. This week, we are going to talk about plant cells. And there are similarities and there are differences. Now, let's talk about both. First, I will talk about the similarities because we did it last week. So the first thing, oh, hello there, it's up on the board. And remember that thing that looked like an egg? This one shaped a little different, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But they both had nucleus. Animal cell and plant cell both had nucleus. That's the center of it. Look like the yolk. You see it? It's kind of pink. Yes. Okay, so that is similar. Now let's look down here. Let's see. Number 2. Okay, it has cytoplasm. That's that thick solution, like in an egg. It's all gushy and it floats around in there. Okay, so they both have that. Let's see, number 3, cell membrane. They both have that. That's what the outer edge is. And that, let's see, that let food in and waste out. That's what that does. Both have that, animal cell and plant cell. Now, if you notice, it's shaped differently. And that's because of the outside, the cell wall. It actually controls its shape. It actually does. So, where the animal cell had no shape, it did not have that wall that a plant cell does. It's got a wall, so it has a shape. Now let's see. And then also, let's see, a plant cell has something called chloroplast. That is a little different too. And it controls the component. It's like chlorophyll. That's what gives a plant its color. So that's different than the animal, isn't it? So they are a little different and a little similarity. Just look at the diagram. Very, very fascinating. Well, I guess that's it for this week on Weird Science. I hope you learned a little bit, and we'll see you next time.